Question. Let the vertex of an angle ABC be located outside a circle and let the sides of the angle intersect equal chords AD and CE with the circle. Prove that angle ABC is equal to half the difference of angles subtended by chords AC and DE at the center. Solution. Given a circle with center O in which chord AD is equal to chord CE, and we have to prove that angle ABC is equal to half of angle DOE minus angle AOC. Construction. Join AC and DE. Proof. Consider triangle AOD and triangle COE. OA is equal to OC. OD is equal to OE. AD is equal to CE. Therefore, by SSS congruence rule, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COE, which implies that angle OAD is equal to angle OCE and angle ODA is equal to angle OEC. In triangle AOD, OA is equal to OD, which implies that angle ODA is equal to angle OAD. From equations 1, 2 and 3, we get angle OAD is equal to angle ODA is equal to angle OCE is equal to angle OEC is equal to A. In triangle AOC, OA is equal to OC, which implies that angle OCA is equal to angle OAC is equal to B. Similarly, in triangle DOE, angle ODE is equal to angle OED is equal to C. Now, consider cyclic quadrilateral ACED. Angle ACE plus angle ADE is equal to 180 degree, which implies B plus A plus A plus C is equal to 180 degree, which further implies that B plus 2A plus C is equal to 180 degree. By taking 2A and B on right hand side, we get C is equal to 180 degree minus 2A minus B. Now, in triangle DOE, angle ODE plus angle OED plus angle DOE is equal to 180 degree. By substituting the value of angle ODE and angle OED, we get, which further implies that angle DOE is equal to 180 degree minus 2C, which is equal to 180 degree minus 2 into 180 degree minus 2A minus B, which implies angle DOE is equal to 180 degree minus 360 degree plus 4A plus 2B, which implies angle DOE is equal to minus 180 degree plus 4A plus 2B. Similarly, in triangle AOC, angle AOC is equal to 180 degree minus 2B. By subtracting equation 9 from equation 8, we get which implies angle DOE minus angle AOC is equal to 4A plus 4B minus 360 degree. By taking 2 common from right hand side, this becomes now angle BAC plus angle CAD is equal to 180 degree, which implies angle BAC is equal to 180 degree minus B plus A. Similarly, angle BCA is equal to 180 degree minus B plus A. In triangle BAC, angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. By substituting the values of angle BAC and angle BCA, we get which implies angle ABC plus 360 degree minus 2 into B plus A is equal to 180 degree, which further implies that angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 360 degree plus 2B plus 2A, which is equal to minus 180 degree plus 2B plus 2A. This can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 times 2A plus 2B minus 180 degree, which implies angle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into angle DOE minus angle AOC. Hence, proved.